So putting on these plastic covers here. So both of these bits take a little bit of finagling because they'll already put these pulleys on. Perhaps this too would have been best put on before the pulleys and the hydraulic pump went on. But at any rate, you can sort of, you can push this guy in like this and then it goes in. With some trouble, you just have to, not really a whole lot of trouble honestly, but you just have to work it in, and then these screw holes, just make sure they line up, and I believe we're all set here. And I'll put the screws in a moment. And similarly, so I'll take care of that in a moment. This thing has two straps that click into place, much like the airbox clamps. So there are these metal clamps that you have to work this guy in behind the pulley and then go snap shut. And there's one on the bottom like this too. So now I'm going to put the last bit in here. And the long screw, which I know screws into the valve cover there. One screw here at the bottom. This thing, we'll have to see. I think there's a screw that goes on top of this to hold something else. I don't remember now. So those 3 screws here. No screws on this inner panel here. I think this is supposed to go under there. There, so I think I'll have to see. No, I haven't managed to line this up yet. Almost. There you go. So it's possible this needs to come off again, I don't know. But it's easy enough to take off if they do have to come off. Get this guy off first. I think there's an edge that I have to work in. So the bottom edge here, or not. No, I think it's okay. It is plastic, so it doesn't fit, as the holes don't line up that well enough. So I guess you start all the screws and then you'll be okay. Oh, I see one of them is longer than the others, so I don't know which one it is. I'm gonna guess this guy here. bring out my little stubby bits. Okay, so I'm going to tighten these two as well. Excellent. Yeah, it all looks like it fits nicely there.